Hey foodies, it's Mihaela from Blondelish.com, and today we're gonna make a super delicious Texas caviar, also known as Cowboy Caviar. This is kind of like a 3-in-1 dish: a chopped salad for lunch, a bean salsa as a snack, and a side dish, all in one. Now, the best part about this Texas caviar is that you can make it with any kind of beans you have in your pantry, and you can serve it with tortilla chips. How good does that sound? I'm so excited that I really can't wait to indulge in it, so let's start cooking! I always start with the dressing, so for this Texas caviar, we're gonna make a delicious Italian dressing. In a small jar, add extra virgin olive oil, fresh lime or lemon juice, wine vinegar, pressed garlic, dried crushed red pepper, dried basil, and maple syrup. Season with sea salt and freshly ground black pepper to your taste. Now put the lid on and shake vigorously to emulsify. Set aside until ready to use. Next, drain and rinse 1 can of black beans under cold running water and add it to a salad bowl. Drain 1 can of corn and add it to the same bowl. And now, let's prep the veggies. Cut the bell pepper in half and remove the seeds and white membrane. Dice it into small pieces. Repeat this process with the jalapeno peppers. Half the cherry tomatoes, finely dice the red onion, and chop a large bunch of fresh cilantro. Add all the prepped veggies into the bowl with the beans and corn. Last but not least, add in diced avocado. Ooh, this salad looks bomb already. Let's pour the Italian dressing over. That was it for today, foodies. Thanks for watching. Click the link below to see the full recipe and a few super useful tips and tricks. Or go search it on Blondelish.com. And make sure you hit the subscribe button down below to be a part of my amazing community of foodies. Last but not least, let me know how you like this recipe in the comments below. See you next time! The highlight of my day: corn chips and Texas caviar.